Hello everyone, my name is Rahul. In the previous video, we had discussed about Acraniata or Protochordata. In this video, we are going to discuss about subphylum Vertebrata. Subphylum Vertebrata, it is a subphylum under phylum Chordata. So, these animals will have all the chordate-like features. Notochord is present in the embryo. In adults, it is replaced by a vertebral column. Hence the name Vertebrata. This vertebral column, it may be made up of cartilage or it may be made up of bones. So in subphylum Vertebrata, the notochord is replaced by vertebral column, but this is not true for all the chordates. In some chordates, notochord will persist throughout their life. Therefore, we say that all vertebrates are chordates because they have a notochord at some point of their life, but all chordates are not vertebrates because not in all members of phylum Chordata there will be presence of vertebral column. Nervous system is dorsal and hollow. Skull and brain are present. Gill slits they may be persistent. Example, fishes. In fishes, the gill slits persist even in the adults, but in case of terrestrial vertebrates, it is replaced by lungs. Gill slits are replaced by lungs. Heart is ventral, muscular, that is, it is made up of cardiac muscles with 2, 3 or 4 chambers. With 2, 3 or 4 chambers. A post-anal tail is present. Post-anal tail is present. If we cannot appreciate the tail, there will be presence of tailbone. If tail is not visible, but there will be presence of tailbone. For excretion and osmoregulation, specialized kidneys are present. And they have appendages which may be limbs, which may be wings, which may be fins, etc. But paired appendages will be present. Paired appendages are present. For example, we have 2 limbs, we have 2 hands, 2 legs. Fishes have 2 fins, that is, fins occur in pairs. Therefore, paired appendages are present. Now, vertebrata is divided into 2 groups, agnatha and gnatostomata. Mind it that this division which is written here, it is not the same as division that you study in plant kingdom. For example, division Pteridophyta. This division is equivalent to phylum. In case of animals, we use the term phylum. In case of plants, we use the term division. Here, division does not mean phylum. It is just a way to tell that vertebrata is divided into agnatha and gnatostomata. Agnatha means animals that lack jaw, and gnatostomata means where jaw is present. Class Agnatha is again divided into cyclostomata And there is another class known as ostracodermy. Ostracodermy. But all the animals belonging to this class are extinct. All the animals belonging to this class ostracodermy are extinct. Therefore, right now we do not need to remember this. We do not need to burden ourselves with remembering this. So for the time being, we will remember that in Ignatha we have class Cyclostomata. Cyclo means round, stomata means mouth. So these organisms, these animals have round mouths. Now in Gnathostomata we have two superclasses, superclass Pisces and superclass Tetrapoda. Pisces means fishes which bear fins, and tetra means four, poda means legs, so these animals will bear four limbs. In Pisces we have two classes, Chondrichthyes which are cartilaginous fishes, cartilaginous fishes, and Osteichthyes which are bony fishes. In superclass Tetrapoda we have Amphibia which are animals which can survive on both land and in water, reptiles which have a crawling habitat, aves, birds which can fly, and mammals. So with this we are finished with subphylum Vertebrata. See you in next video.